What's up, guys? This is Will. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a case that I picked up for my ZTE Blade Spark. I picked this up from Amazon.com. Here's the case here. This is a Phonelicious by Phonelicious ZTE Spark Heavy Duty Shock Absorption Drop Protection Hybrid Rugged Impact Phone Tough Cover. Comes with a screen protector and a stylus. I bought the black one. When I got it, it was on Prime. It was a different price, but now they got it for $5.95 plus $4.69 shipping. And it comes in different colors. They got the black slim, they got the blue slim, black swirl, black tough, black vines, Paris slim, pearl pink and gray, purple, and hibiscus, and rose gold slim, red, black tough, rose gold and black, silver slim. So there's a bunch of them, colors here that you can choose from. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to pick it up. So let's take a look at it and see what we got here. Cut the packaging already. So here's the container that it comes in. Nothing fancy about it. Let's get this open. This little device has been a great device so far for a budget phone. I'll have my thoughts and opinion on it coming up pretty soon. So stick around for that. Here's the screen protector that they give you. It's the plastic one. It's not a tempered glass. You get the little stylus. And this actually says compatible with ZTE Grand X4. But it's listed to be for the Spark. So we're going to take a look at it. So here's the case here. It has a hard outer shell. And let's see how it goes. So it's a three-piece. You got this little piece on the front of it here. Then you have a real soft, spongy inner part, and then a hard outer shell. So let's bring in the ZTE Blade Spark here. Get it on there and see what it looks like. So look like a puzzle here you're putting together. And let me make sure I got this going the right way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna dig this. This is gonna add some good protection here for this, and it's a budget case too. So yeah, there it is. Snaps all in. Man, that looks good. Feels real soft. This is a real soft matte feeling back here, and the rubber on the inside of it that makes it feel real good. So there it is. Nice lip on the inside of it. You definitely won't be, your screen definitely won't be touching anything there if it's not sticking up. Let's go around it. Cut out for your Type-C charger, your microphone. This side, there isn't anything. On the top, a cutout for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Another cutout for your mic. On this side here, the volume up and down and power button, they are covered, but they're textured where you can feel them right there. And then on the back, a nice deep recess area for your camera, flash, and your fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, fingerprint, I'm going to try it again. Let's try it again. There it is. Fingerprint sensor works great on it. Let's check the volume up and down. Nice and clicky. They work fine. Then the power button works great also. So on the back of it, you got your speaker right here cut out also. So this is it's not a flashy looking case at all, but I definitely like the way it feels on the phone. It's going to add a little bulk to it, but it feels real good to me. I like it. Try that fingerprint. There it is again. I think the first time I just wasn't really getting my finger in there too good. Bring that brightness up some there. But stay tuned for the for my thoughts on this little device here in the next couple of videos or so. This is the case that I picked up. The link will be in the description if you want to pick it up, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all in the next video.